Are you a new mom wondering how to recover faster and feel stronger after childbirth? Let's talk about the best postpartum recovery foods every mom needs. 1. Spinach and kales. Start with these. They're rich in iron and folate, perfect for restoring your energy and boosting milk production. 2. Eggs are a super source of protein and choline. They help repair tissues and support your baby's brain development. 3. Salmon or sardines. Salmon gives you omega-3 salve that balance hormones, lift your mood, and strengthen both you and your baby. 4. Avocados. Avocados are full of healthy fats that keep you full and energized throughout your busy mom days. 5. Oats, nuts, and fruits. They fuel your body, improve digestion, and protect your immune system during recovery. Doctors recommend balancing your postpartum diet with whole foods, protein, and hydration to heal faster and feel your best. Every mom deserves to heal and thrive. What's your go-to postpartum meal that makes you feel amazing? Comment below. Let's support each other on this beautiful journey.